Nitrogen is a fundamental building block of amino acids, which serve as the basic building blocks of proteins. Amino acids are essential for growth, metabolism, and life processes in all living organisms.
All amino acids have a nitrogen-containing amino group in their structure.
These are the building blocks of life. Nitrate and ammonium, drawn by the root's embrace, begin their essential journey upward.
After uptake, nitrate is reduced to ammonium, which is toxic if accumulated. So via nitrogen assimilation pathway, inorganic ammonium is converted into organic glutamine and glutamate.
About 90% of organic nitrogen passes through the GOGAT pathway and converts into glutamine and glutamate.
These amino acids act as nitrogen donors for synthesis of all other amino acids.
The bases in DNA and RNA are nitrogen-containing organic amino compounds that form the genetic material. These bases store, transmit, and express genetic information via proteins. That's why nitrogen is indispensable for life. The sequence of amino acids determines the structure and function of each protein. Proteins have a vast range of functions in living organisms.
Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts and speed up chemical reactions.
They are essential for processes like nutrient assimilation, energy production, and DNA replication. Through gene regulation, proteins influence the plant's growth, development, and response to stress.
Proteins also provide structural support to cells, tissues, and stem. Cellulose fibers are the main components of the primary cell wall.
Collagen-like proteins help strengthen the cell wall and provide elasticity and flexibility.
Microtubules play a critical role in cell division, shape maintenance, and cell expansion.
Pectin helps regulate the porosity and rigidity of tissues like fruits and leaves. Transport. Proteins facilitate the movement of essential substances across the plant.
Aquaporins are membrane proteins that allow water to pass through cell membranes.
Ion channels and pumps regulate the movement of ions such as potassium, calcium, and nitrate across cell membranes. ABC transporters move nutrients, sugars, amino acids, and ions within and between plant cells. Defense proteins. Plants produce defensive proteins to protect against environmental stresses, pests, and pathogens.
Antioxidant enzymes protect plants from oxidative damage caused by drought and heat. Storage proteins act as reserves in seeds, like glutenins in rice and globulins in legumes. Nitrogen promotes photosynthesis.
Chlorophyll biosynthesis starts from glutamate. That's why nitrogen is a structural part of chlorophyll. Rubisco is the primary enzyme responsible for carbon dioxide fixation and the most abundant protein in plants. Nitrogen deficiency reduces Rubisco synthesis and limits carbon dioxide assimilation, even if light is sufficient. Auxins are key phytohormones that regulate cell elongation, differentiation, and developmental patterning. That also synthesized mainly from amino acid called tryptophan, and its transportation mediated by PIN AUX1 proteins.
Cytokinins promote cell division, nutrient signaling, and delay aging.
These are adenine-derived plant hormones, such as zeatin, isopentenyl adenine, and benzyl adenine. Pollen development depends strongly on nitrogen availability. Pollen grains are rich in proteins, amino acids, and enzymes that support pollen tube growth.
Under nitrogen deficiency, pollen protein content declines. Pollen viability and germination are reduced.
Pollen tube growth becomes weak or fails, resulting in poor fertilization, even when flowers are present.
Nitrogen is not just a nutrient, it is the foundation of life. From proteins and DNA to photosynthesis and reproduction, nitrogen drives plant growth and productivity. Subscribe to the channel for more insights into plant science, nutrition, and crop productivity.